My name's Tony. I'm the owner of Homeowner Repair, and in this video I wanted to go over some hand signals that you can use while you're riding in the woods on your ATV. Before we roll into this, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It'll help us out a ton. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button. Next to it there's a bell. Click the bell too, and that'll notify you when we have an upload. Let's get rolling on this stuff. So I've been riding for about 35 years. I started back in before 1984, so I've seen a lot happen in the woods. So I wanted to pass along, some great tips for you guys to utilize while you're in the woods if you're not aware of them. One of the things you can do is you can use hand signals when you're riding in a pack of riders. Typically, if you're going through the woods and you're coming up on traffic, and your group gets split up, or even if you're somewhat close together, it's great to let oncoming traffic know that how many people are with your group. So that said, if you're the lead person and say you have 3 ATVs in back, you hold up your fingers and put 3 up so that the people coming towards you can see that there are 3 guys behind you. If there are 2 people, you obviously hold up 2 fingers to let the traffic coming towards you know there's 2 riders behind you. And after that, they should be clear. So if you're the last person in line, you want to hold up your fist like this, make a closed fist. That will let oncoming traffic know, hey, I'm the last person in line. To my knowledge, after me, there's nobody in that group. And then, if they want to get back on the throttle a little bit, they can do so until they come to the next group of people. So we were riding up in the mountains of Berlin over the weekend in New Hampshire, and we did have a situation where, the leader of our pack held up 3 fingers to let oncoming traffic know that, hey, there's 3 guys behind me. The lead person of that pack didn't care, ran one of us off the road, and one of our riders went 10 feet into the woods. Luckily, nobody got hurt, and we were able to get him out of there. But keep it safe. Don't be a moron. If there's be careful. There's a group of people. Slow down until you pass them, then go have fun again. So we wanted to put a video out there that'll help people out, help people understand what the hand signals are, and to be safe. So I hope you like the video. If you have any comments, leave a comment. I will reply back, and give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day, guys.